downshift and stuff like that with the paddles.
Right. So, is there any way that you could like say you hit this too soon? Does it like ruin the engine?
Now, if you hit it too soon, I mean, you could put it whatever gear, and then if you put a higher gear, you hear how quiet it is.
Yeah.
Then you lower the gear.
Lower the gear.
And once it gets like up to
engine.
Once it gets up to 4,500, now you see.
Yeah.
I'm at 4,000. Now,
Yeah.
when I hit, you hear how it opens up.
Right.
And actually, the exhaust opens up at 4,500 each gear. So every time you hit 4,500, it gets louder automatically.
Okay.
I think you notice it maybe more in the first gear. I'll let you drive it again going back.
Does it tell you what gear?
Yeah, first up there.
Oh, up here. Okay.
Now watch this one. That's 4.
Yeah. And that's when you hit it.
It's 4,000 and then 4,500. Watch.
Yeah.
It's usually more noticeable than that.
Well, it's because we're in traffic.
It's actually a lot more fun with the paddles. A lot more fun. That's looking pretty nice with your hair flying like that.
Thank you. It's great. Yeah, like you definitely don't get this sound when it's on.
In the manual, right?
Manual, yeah.
Yeah, because what it's doing, it's basically putting it.
So you just always use your backup camera?
Yeah, it comes up automatic.
Yeah.
It's going to shift. It's going to be a little jerky in automatic mode. I never really drive it in that.
Okay. You always do the paddle shifters?
Yep.
Well, I guess I'll go this way because it's easier just to get out.
Might as well go to the Sunoco's, make a right. I always go to that Sunoco on 73.
You go to a certain place for your gas?
I always go to the Sunoco. I like the Sunoco. I gotta admit, it feels weird letting somebody else drive my car.
I'm sure.
I used to be.
Have you ever been in your passenger seat?
No. I never let anybody drive it.
Oh my god, I'm so special.
It's because I like you.
Thank you. Trust me.
I guess.
I guess so.
Unless you do something stupid.
No, I'm nervous.
Oh damn! You got your Michael Kors.
Oh yeah.
In a high gear
Right.
like this. So
Right.
it's like
And so it
quiet.
just sounds quiet. Yeah.
That's why. Yeah. It's fine.
Well, when I drove the other one, like even
You mean like a two-door?
Two-door, yeah. Yeah.
Coupe means you can't drop the top. You don't want that, right?
Oh, why? Because this would be considered just
Convertible. Well, this is called a roadster.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm being snobby.
No, you are, but it's okay. But it's all good. I just like the steering of the cars. I like that it's
kind of
tight.
tight, right? Yeah. I like that too.
That's how my
Some
mom's
cars
BMW
are-
was. What is this? The trunk?
It's a pen. I think this pen's $500.
Just in case you need a pen. It looks like...
It's a British thing.
Yeah?
Yeah. So this is Aston Martin.
That's awesome.
They take these out of the car in the auto show because some assholes they like doing them, even at the dealership.
I'm sure.
And what do you think? Is that cool?
It is. I thought it was like the trunk because you have that little button on the trunk.
Oh yeah, it does.
I saw you hit the
kinda look
button.
like This isn't the real key either. This is the valet key. Plastic. The real one's got crystal. $1,500 for that key. I never took it out of the package. And I dropped this in rent. I'll drop it. I'll break it. So I don't
Yeah,
mess with
no.
that. You like crystal keys?
Who doesn't?
Val.
Yeah, Val's the only person.
She's so clean. Oh my god.
Is she gonna get a new car or what?
Yeah, she's supposed to get that Volvo.